Okay. Here, record by number. Then table 10. Then your order now, your total of 67 pesos. Say it. Your total of 67 pesos. Say it to your mom.
How much is my order?
67 pesos.
67.
67 pesos. Okay.
67.
I receive 100 pesos. Say it.
I want that money forever.
Money forever.
I'm gonna be rich.
Okay, I receive 100 pesos.
100 pesos.
There you go.
Uncle is coming.
Thank you for
Say it. Mayroon kayo 7 pesos, ma'am?
7.
Is the magtawanan?
Give daw the 1,000 pesos. No. Meron.
Ma'am, wala
Here.
kang picture.
40 pesos pa.
Here.
Mama.
Okay, here's your change, ma'am.
It's your change, mommy.
40 pesos. Then here's
Thank
your table
you.
number.
Number 5.
Thank you, mom.
Thank you.
Thank you, my mom.
Okay, next na.
Number 6.
Say hi, good morning. Hi, good morning.